In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Renderforest intro and add it to your video editor. We'll go from grabbing your intro on Renderforest to combining it with your main video and then exporting a final, ready-to-share file. Start on your PC by opening your preferred web browser. Head over to renderforest.com. On the home page, click Log In and sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the left panel and click My Files, then choose My Exports. This section stores the videos you've already created or rendered on Renderforest. Find the intro video you want to use and click it to open its details. Now click Export to download it to your computer. Keep in mind, exporting requires an active paid plan, and resolution options may depend on your subscription. Choose a save location you'll remember. Your Downloads folder or a dedicated project folder works great, and let the file finish downloading before moving on. Next, open your video editing software of choice. This could be CapCut, Filmora, Premiere Pro, or any other editor you're comfortable with. Log in if your software prompts you and then create a new project. Most editors will ask for basic settings like project name and frame rate. Matching your main video's settings helps avoid quality or sync issues later. Inside your new project, click Upload. Navigate to the downloaded Renderforest intro file, select it, and click Open. The intro will appear in your media library or timeline, depending on the editor. Now upload your main video the same way. Click Upload, select your main video, and open it. When both files are ready, place the intro at the very beginning of your timeline. Then drag your main video so it sits immediately after the intro with no gaps or overlaps. This ensures the viewer sees your intro first, followed by your main content seamlessly. When everything looks lined up, it's time to save your final video. Click Export or Render, depending on your software. Choose a file name and a destination folder you'll remember. If you're presented with format or quality options, a standard MP4 with H.264 is widely compatible, and matching the resolution of your main footage usually delivers the best results. Start the export and wait for it to complete. Larger or higher resolution videos may take longer. And that's it. You've downloaded your Renderforest intro, added it to your editor, and exported a polished final video, all set for sharing across your platforms.